We got another one. Oh, dang, this guy's pulling hard. What's up, everybody? We're back out here on the water again. A little tidal creek here in Jacksonville, Florida. We got the wifey with us, and we got Dawson. Maybe he'll be our good luck charm today. So I think we're mostly just gonna use artificials. We got this 3-inch white paddle tail tied on right now on a jig head. And Dawson's got something similar going on over there. So we're just gonna cruise down this way and see if we can get anything. Also, real unfortunate, forgot my seat. So that's not ideal, but we'll make do. So let's see what we can do. Also decided to try out the head mount today. Let me know if you guys like that better. It's a little bit easier in the kayak, I think, for actually being able to see like I'm fishing off to the side and stuff. Alright, the paddle tail ain't getting it done, so I think we're gonna switch. Let's see what we got. We're gonna try the purplish one.
That'll work.
There we go. Maybe that'll get us one. Bunch of big mullet over there jumping. I've seen mullet everywhere. It's a good sign. Well, haven't caught anything yet. Need to catch something. Get the skunk out. Get some action. Trying to fish a bunch of new places. And keep the good content for you guys. We're trying. There we go. Got a trout in the boat this time. Yeah. I've redeemed myself. Oh, I can feel him like croaking. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Just a little guy, but we'll take it.
Finally.
Time again. That giant trout just wore me out. I really need something to refuel me. It was pretty big, I don't know. Find out. What do we got? What do we got? Off the little cut bait. Trying to enjoy my little snack, and this fish said, nah, my turn for a snack. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's big. What do we got? Oh, it's a big red. Come on. Oh. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh, my eyes are burning for some reason.
It just splashed us.
That thing is awesome.
Yes. What was that Ryland said? I'm shaking.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes my hat.
Oh. Go, go, go.
Don't lose your paddle.
That was awesome. that a keeper?
I don't know. I don't have any way to measure it.
Yeah. What is legal size for him?
It's 17 to 27. So I'm pretty sure it is, but
Yeah. Yeah.
we don't really. I didn't bring the cooler or anything.
I have a stringer, but.
Yeah, but then the long ride home.
Yeah.
Oh, no, 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 no. Chill. Dang, this guy's slimy.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go. Check that out. PB for sure. Dang, it's like a beautiful, like, copperish color. Got one spot on this side, one spot on that side. Man, look at that.
That's awesome.
Let's go. All right, we're just gonna let this guy go. Yes.
Finally.
That thing was splashing like crazy.
PB for sure. I struggled to grab my net.
It looked hard to reel in.
It was. Holy cow.
That's a cool video.
Yeah, for sure.
Here.
Oh, Dawson took that now.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to come over there. He popped off. It was just a catfish. Oh. Those things fight hard. Oh, look at all the slime on my line. Oh. That is not right.
All right, guys, I'm sure my hair is a mess, but I think we found a spot over here. Dawson was hooked up over here too. So we're gonna stay over here for a minute, see if we can get another. Oh, was it?
With the long fins.
Uh-huh.
Look at how much slime it got on my line.
Oh.
Just from reeling it in. Like, that's not even okay.
No. Hey, we'll take anything though.
Okay.
But do we find the spot right here or what?
Dawson said it was the granola.
Oh, maybe as soon as we open that.
It didn't start happening
It
until
started
then.
popping off.
I couldn't even finish mine. All of a sudden I just hear drag screaming out the back. I was like,
I didn't even notice. I didn't know what you were doing. You were like, oh, I thought you dropped your food.
Oof, I gotta unslime my line.
Good luck with that.
Oh. That's disgusting.
all right.
Nice little clip when I had to go save your hat.
Yeah. Gonna get another mud minnow on here. Frozen.
Dawson's gagging.
You good over there?
No.
Ew. Mud minnow, cut bait back out there. Then we're gonna just keep throwing the artificial here. See if we can get something else over here. That was really unexpected, but really awesome. Thought the little trout was cool, but that big old red, we got another one. Oh, dang, this guy's pulling hard. Come on, what do we got? What do we got this time? In the middle of putting sunscreen on. It's never when I'm ready. It's always when I'm doing something. That's okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. What we got? Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, he does not want to come up. He does not want to come up. Oh, he's getting caught in my other line. Oh, my other line is getting all tangled up. Can you try to reel that?
Yeah.
Hang on, hang on.
You're hitting me in the head.
I'm sorry.
I don't know where to go.
Just hang on a second. All right, you can reel that one up. Thank you. Oh, this is a big fish. This is a big fish.
Oh yeah.
He does not want to come up. Oh, it's another red. Oh, come on, buddy.
Try not to flip.
Yeah.
Wow. Is that a trout?
Big red.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Well, not huge, but chill.
Guy back there just caught a 6-foot shark. Well, he didn't catch it. He let it go.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So he said. We didn't see it.
Apparently over there is the spot.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. You want to put one of those mud minnows back on yet?
Not yet.
There we go. Chill. Not today. There we go, another nice one.
Smile. Okay.
All right. Dang, that's another beautiful fish. That's what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Off she goes.
Just keep using that pole.
Literally.
Did you hear what she said?
No.
Somebody caught a 6-foot shark back there.
Oh, really?
That's what she said.
All right, another good fish. Slow morning. Turned into a pretty good day so far. Get another minnow rigged up here. See if we can get another. Just using a little circle hook and a knocker rig. So we got a little, I think it's a 1/2 ounce sinker on there between the leader, or on the leader, between the hook and the main line. It's like a, maybe like a 3/0 hook. I don't remember exactly. Not a real big one. But you always want to cut the tail off so it doesn't spin, but also lets the blood and all that junk start coming out of there and track the fish. And you always want to make sure that there's no scale on the end of your hook. Mess with your hookups. Loosen the drag back up. And now we wait and hope the wifey catches something on the artificial. And awesome. You can go like a little faster than that probably.
Just you and me and you and our friend Steve.
Steve. Come on, Dawson, you gotta catch something.
I'm trying. I flipped it.
Wait, say was?
What is it?
trout.
Nice.
What are you doing, bud?
Right here, I'll go take a picture of it. I'll come take a picture for you.
Okay.
Dawson got another one over there. There we go. Real slow morning. I was starting to question this spot for sure. But it's turned out pretty good. It kind of seems like the bite turned off over here. Oh, and my bait's gone anyway. But I think we're about to start heading back. Maybe I'll throw the little paddle tail a little bit on the way back, I'm not sure. But if we don't catch anything else, then we'll see you back in the truck. All right, we made it back to the truck. We didn't catch anything else on the way back, but man, that was a lot of fun. I didn't think it was gonna be a good day in the beginning because we went so long without catching anything. But then we caught the little trout and then it just opened up.
Oh yeah.
We found the bite there. And then those two good reds. Dawson almost caught a catfish, then he caught 2 trout.
Yep.
Man, that was a lot of fun. But I don't know what we're gonna do next weekend. We wanna keep trying new spots and see if we can, you know, get on all kinds of new fish. But I think that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna head back home, get everything all cleaned up and ready for the next time. So we'll see you then.